Okay guys, so I have my hair braided down. This is my wig cap that I'm going to be using for this HD closure wig. Here is the hair. To tint my lace, I will be using my Even Lace Tint in the shade Medium Dark Brown. And for this install, I will be using my Even lace spray. It is fast drying, no residue buildup, and 10 times the hold. So this will be my first time ever using just this. I'm going for the no baby hair look because I do plan on curling the hair, kind of like a, what do you call it? Like a wrap, a curl wrap, like roller wrap set. That's the look I'm going for. No baby hairs, no nothing. Just a laid wig with some loose body full curls. So I'm just gonna get right into this. The wig comes with the combs by the ears, a comb in the back, an adjustable strap, and it's ready to go. I got this wig in a size small and it fits my head very snug. So when ordering from Asteria with this wig, it does ask what cap size, so be mindful of the size you choose because it does show you what measurements it is. So y'all, a closure wig is one of the most easiest styles that you could probably do. This is a HD lace. Because it comes with combs, I'm gonna try to use them. Okay, so the combs are in place. That's how the lace is looking so far. I did not have to bleach the knots or anything, but I probably should go in and pluck it a little more. So I'll be right back after I do that. Okay, so because this wig fits my head perfectly, I could wear this glueless, but I want to show you guys how it's very simple to just melt your lace with non-glue. This is a spray. This is not glue. Adhesive spray. It can last you a day if you want to, 2 days, 3 days. It depends on how you wear your wigs, but for me, this can go a long way. My installs can last anywhere between 3 to 4 days. And if I want to like retouch them, I just spray a little bit more because I don't wear makeup, so it's not that cakey or anything, so it doesn't get dirty. So this actually does wonders. So before you go in to start the spraying process, you want to cut off these little side tabs. All right, make sure you have it where you want it on your head. I'm gonna pull it down a little bit more. And all I'm going to do is be spraying along the hairline. Like so. I take my edge brush and brush those baby hairs back. In the bag, Asteria gave me a melt band, y'all. Love that it's black. And I'm going to use it at this time. Now while that lays down, I'm gonna be backwards and I'm going to curl this hair. This is my favorite. It is by Conair. This is actually my second one. I kind of broke the last one being a little rough, but here's the packaging. I got it from Walmart, less than $6 for a brush, and I love how it's like tricolor, kind of iridescent. I'm gonna wait to do this section last. So I'm just going to clip it out of the way while I work on the rest of this hair. I'm gonna fast forward through this part, so bear with me. So I'm gonna spray a little bit more on top. So let's take this curl up. Pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna do one baby hair right here to cover that line. I did so good. I did so good. Only one product was used, and this will probably last. Thank you so much to Asteria Hair. Let me show you guys what came in the bag. Y'all, this hair is so soft. It's silky. It holds this curl beautifully. It's a closure wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful. Very easy to install. All I did was spray on top of the lace, trim the lace, melt the lace, and cut me one little baby hair. That's it. I flipped this hair, I curled it going backwards. You guys saw a clip of that, and I combed it out with a wide tooth comb. So very simple. I hope you guys find it helpful. I feel very pretty right now. I need to send my man some pictures because all the information on this hair will be in the description box. It is a 5x5 HD closure wig in 16 inches from Asteria hair. Okay, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.